Stewart getting in the zone, the motorsports legend, getting ready to go, ladies and gentlemen, looking for his first Nitro win. Can he do it?
We got a big one here, guys. Tony Stewart versus Steve Torrence. Two very, very accomplished racers.
Making a big, big impact out here in the NHRA. Oh yeah, race fans, stay with us. We've got a lot to talk about, and we've got some Nitro to see here in Norwalk. With the fan favorite Ron Capps alongside Chris King. Funny car qualifying problems. King might have broke a throttle cable. There goes Capps. Nice run, 3:94. Of course, Capps, a good buddy of John Force and everybody here thinking about him.
Of course, guys, it is a sentimental evening as everybody keeping John Force in their thoughts and prayers after a horrific accident just 4 or 5 days ago. Virginia Motorsports Park. John Force remains in the hospital.
And let's take you back to Virginia Motorsports Park, Dinwiddie, Virginia, just 1 week ago. 75-year-old motorsports legend John Force suffers what could be the worst accident of his career. Look at the way that car compressed. Absolutely terrible. The good news is John was alert and conscious after this incident, a testament to the safety equipment and how well these cars are built. The bad news is John Force has a long, long battle in front of him, and we're learning more about that here at Summit Motorsports Park, and we ask you to please keep John Force Racing in your thoughts and prayers. Great job by the Safety Safari, and John Force Racing put out a statement saying that 5 days later, John Force was transported from the trauma unit to the neuro-intensive care unit. The entire team decided to sit out Norwalk, and we continue to send thoughts and prayers to John Force in a wonderful gesture here in Norwalk, Ohio, as fans show their love. And now we're doing exactly what John Force would want us to do, and that is continue racing. There's the 2018 champion, J.R. Todd. He'll be taking on Joe Morrison, who's stepping up from Nostalgia Funny Car. Wow.
How about J.R. Todd? 332 miles an hour. Impressive run for him.
Great matchup coming up. Dave Richards, he'll take the left lane. In the right lane, there's Buddy Hall. If you were at the PRI show this year, he was named the driver of a Jim Dunn Racing Funny Car, getting back to his front engine roots. He is a very, very talented young driver. Let's see what we can do here.
Nice turnout of fans tonight at America's Racetrack.
Dave Richards, we got to see him test at Virginia Motorsports Park. You can see it live on this channel. Top, and that testing paid off.
306 to a 421, 292.
Another entertaining matchup coming up. I hope you're loving it. There is the legend, the ageless Cruz Pedregon, two-time champion, 60 years young. He will take on Chad Green. He's a two-time winner out here. He's been to 6 finals. Comes from Midland, Texas, on the Von Coat Ford Mustang Funny Car. This should be another great race. Oh, Cruz loses fire. Give you a closer look at the numbers. Chad Green, nice hit for him. Bobby Bode near lane, and he will take on that man, Daniel Wilkerson, ready to light it up. All right, this is going to be a great one. This class is loaded with talent. Bobby Bode near lane. He is a second-generation funny car driver, also licensed in Super Comp. Daniel Wilkerson, far lane. Of course, he took over for his legendary father, Tim Wilkerson, doing a wonderful job. What a pass. Let's take a look at it. 390, Daniel Wilkerson, well done.
I'll tell you, John Force should be proud of these guys. We've seen some big, big speed tonight here in Norwalk.
And we could see some even bigger speed as we continue. There's some true talent coming up. Paul Lee, 67-year-old veteran near lane, takes on this lovely young lady. It is Alexis Dejoria, former wife of motorcycle legend Jesse James. She is the daughter of John Paul Dejoria. Bandero Tequila, problems for her. There goes Paul Lee, top end. Big speed, 323, 391 for him. Nice pass for the three-time winner, the veteran, Paul Lee. As we turn our attention to the next pair, there's Blake Alexander. And there's the man of the hour, out of Tony Stewart Nitro, your defending class champion, Matt Hagan. Well, this Tony Stewart team's been so tough. Matt is a four-time champion. Blake Alexander trying to make a statement here, a three-time winner on tour. Oh, what a race!
Whoa, what a race. 393 to a 391. Big speed for Matt Hagan, 328. Blake Alexander actually gets there first.
Big speed Hagan. Nice job, Tony Stewart Nitro. This one will be epic. Bob Tasca, and here comes John Force's protege. Austin Prock, no doubt racing with a heavy heart here this weekend. We saw him win 1 week ago. After Austin Prock picked up that victory, he said first thing he wanted to do was take the Wally to his mentor, John Force, in the hospital. He's got another mentor out there as well. His father, Jimmy Prock, has been around the sport for a long time. Austin would like nothing more than to qualify #1 here and dedicate it to the 16-time champion, the all-time great, watching from the hospital, John Force. Here we go, Tasca and Prock ready to light it up here at Norwalk. Another big run. This looks good.
Whoa, Austin Prock, 386, 327, alongside a 389, 323. Guys, that is definitely fans loving it. That is the sentimental favorite this weekend. Austin Prock doing it for his team owner, John Force, who remains in the hospital.
There's no question the legend John Force is smiling at that one from the hospital. And you're going to smile because we got Top Fuel coming up, and I have a question for you.
Let's now switch gears into some really fast Top Fuel cars. I want to know, what do you like better, funny cars or dragsters? Drop that down below, and why? What do you find more entertaining?
So please, everybody down below, weigh in. I want to know what class you find more entertaining, Top Fuel or funny car. There is no wrong answer, but I want to hear from you down in the comments. Let me know, what do you like better and why? Top Fuel and funny car. Well, I know what this man likes, because this is your defending champion, the great Doug Kalitta, the Michigan native, owner of Kalitta Air. What a season, what a run he's been on. He is the defending class champion. Doug has a great story. Got his racing career started in 1994. Actually won a bunch of USAC midget races back then. Moved to drag racing in 1998. And last year made a dream come true. He won the 2023 NHRA Championship. This team has been on a tremendous hot streak ever since. He is the nephew of the one and only Connie Kalitta. Here we go, Doug on a pass, lighting it up. Great run. Wow.
69, 330. Great run out there by Doug Kalitta. We got a big one here, guys. Tony Stewart versus Steve Torrence. Two very accomplished racers. Getting ready to square off. Tony Stewart, Steve Torrence, a very entertaining matchup, no matter if it's qualifying or elimination.
This one's going to be worth the price of admission. Tony Stewart, motorsports legend, alongside one of the best here in the NHRA, four-time champion Steve Torrence. Tony, of course, a four-time NASCAR champion, the only driver to have ever won championships in IndyCar and NASCAR. Don't ever count out Smoke. Whoa, Smoke's on one here.
What a race. Tony Stewart gets there first. A 374, 322 miles an hour. Torrence goes a 378, 324. What an incredible side-by-side drag race out there by two champions. Unbelievable. Great run here at Norwalk, America's racetrack.
Here is the first openly gay Top Fuel racer, Travis Schumacher. And he will take on Trip Tatum. Trip Tatum has a win to his credit. Dom Lagana, the crew chief on this machine.
About a 392, 280, left side, 373, 324 miles. It's Travis Schumacher alongside Trip Tatum.
Oh, we got one here. Couple of legends. Billy Torrence and the Sarge, Tony Schumacher.
Amazing run out there by Billy Torrence alongside the Sarge.
Spencer Massey and Josh Hart.
Out there, Spencer Massey, 314 miles an hour. Josh Hart, he goes 319 miles an hour. Beautiful night here, Summit Motorsports Park, America's racetrack. This place beautiful. What Bill Bader said, there's 400 employees out there working, 400 employees working at the racetrack. That's why they have such great customer service. You look on a wonderful show, Summit Motorsports Park. It is an awesome place. I hope everybody gets a chance to come.
There is Kyle Wurtzel, and he will come up alongside a 29-year-old rising star. Comes from a racing family. This man has a bright, bright future inside that Skag Power Equipment Top Fuel Dragster. That is the one and only Justin Ashley, your 2020 Rookie of the Year, and it has been onward and upward for him ever since. We'll see what he can do here. The whole team from Skag, a very, very impressive season. Looking for a big number here at Summit Motorsports Park, America's racetrack.
Left side 375, 328 miles an hour, and a huge cloud of smoke down there. Wow.
Oh boy, we got to take another look at this. This is what happens when 1,100 horsepower overpowers the racetrack at 300 miles an hour. Here comes Sean Reed and Clay Milliken.
I gotta say, my man down here is the best dressed man on the property. Remember, guys, you can get that shirt on CycleDragShop.com. Nice shirt, my man. Please keep this man in your thoughts and prayers. And how about Norwalk, guys? They send them home with a beautiful fireworks display. Well, guys, thanks so much for hanging out in the stands with me. I hope you enjoyed this session of Nitro. Can't beat it. There is no place quite like Summit Motorsports Park here in Norwalk. Big shout out, Bill Bader, his whole family. This place is awesome. Guys, if you like that video, here is another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle, and you know if there's anything fast, Racing Jack is in. From Norwalk, Racing Jack rolls on.